Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. Can I start a video without you guys bothering me? Okay? No, no, no! Go away. Go away. Go away. And you're just squirting everywhere. All you do is squirt. Go, go, go. See? Squirt. He writes his name. Not in snow, on the concrete. Thank you very much. Oh my goodness. Trying to steal the scenes from me again. Here we go. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. Today we're spending some time with the better Beamer. I said it wrong. It's the Bummer Beemer. But she's getting better. Why? We're fixing a problem. My Beamer has pigeon feet. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Yep, just like my feet right here. Yep, just like my feet right here, my Bummer Beamer has pigeon feet. That's how her front wheels look like. They're kind of skewed in a little bit like this too. We need to get them straight and straight. All right, that's the goal today. How are we going to fix that? Well, we're not going to add shins. We're adding struts, okay? Let's get to work. All right, well, here it is. Yep, this is the Bummer Beamer. She's getting better every single minute. Okay, the problem I have is, remember all the work we did right here? Yeah, we did lots and lots of work right there. This tire is still in a little bit, and I've tried the adjustment. You know, I've gone on the websites and I've looked at all the forums and all that kind of stuff, and a lot of folks say that you can adjust the wheels, loosen these 13 millimeters, push this out a little bit, and that's going to adjust the tire. My tire is kind of going like that. It's going to bring it out just like maybe a degree or so. I don't think that the strut that I got was perfectly fine. So we purchased 2 more struts. We're going to put them on. This is easy, kind of. Basically, you take off the wheel, you take off the whole hub, and the control arms and all that kind of stuff, then you drop the strut, okay? I bought them used from another 135. These are the sport suspension springs. There's a big difference, sport, non-sport. Stick with what you got, okay? Stick with what you got. We're going to get this thing off, and we'll get her up in the air, then I'll show you what's happening. First things first, loosen these 13 millimeters right here. Be careful because you have to use a wrench on this guy right here. This is your hot spot when you have to jump the car. I should have a cover on that, but I don't, and that does not make me happy. If you accidentally touch this to this, you get a nice little spark, okay? So we're going to loosen the 13 mils right here. Super easy to do, okay? Basically, you want the strut to hang by one of them, okay? I choose the one in the front here. So you're going to remove all 3 of these, this one, and then that one right back there. And then we go down below. Okay, basically you have a connector right here you want to remove. Okay, on the other side, on the driver's side, there's 2. Okay, this is one electrical connector. You want to remove it from this right here because this whole thing is going to come off. All of this is going to come off. You want to remove this is one piece. This is an 18 millimeter right here. There's one at the bottom. You remove that. Okay, this right here, this nut will come off. Okay, because that holds the bracket that holds the brake line. Then you want to remove this one right here because that kind of holds this whole hub onto the strut. Okay, that's an 18 as well. Okay, so we're going to lube all these up. We're going to take this all apart. Then we get to remove the control arms. And that is so much fun. So much fun. Okay, here we go. And just like that, we've got it, okay? We've got the brake caliper hanging there, the whole brake assembly. We have this nut removed. We have this nut removed, 18, 17. And now we get to go down here because we have a tie rod and these control arms. Now, if you watch the videos, they want you to remove it at the cradle, the engine cradle right there, okay? I do that, I tried that on another car and it was a big pain in the ass. Pain in the booty, sorry. So I'm just gonna try to remove them from here and see what happens. Okay, we're just gonna take them off from here. Maybe I'll have to take them off there. I don't know, we'll just have to see how it goes. All right, but here we go. This mostly is 18s and like I think 22s or 21s. Everything right there. We're gonna spray them all down and we're gonna get them off the connectors right there. Okay. Very quickly on some of these, okay, you need, what is this? A T40 to kind of hold the tie rod, or the ball joint here, as you get the nut off, because this is going to start spinning. Okay, so you put this in there. Basically, you put this in here first. So just imagine there's a nut in there. You hold it with this, and you go, and you take it off with that. Okay, this is so much faster than what I've been seeing on the internet right here. So hopefully I won't run into a big problem. All right, now to get this off, this thing is just held on with. When you tighten it up, there's just so much tension right here. So there's a special tool, like a spark plug removal tool, that helps separate these things. I just use a screwdriver and I just kind of pound it in there. There is a tab on the strut that kind of goes into where this crack is right there. You want to make sure that when you attach it, you line it up so everything goes fine. But I'm just going to hit a screwdriver, pound this out right here, and then give this guy a couple of hits. Hopefully it'll all drop down. We'll see, okay? Fingers crossed. One thing to be careful of when you're putting this back in, see the little nipple right there? Yeah, okay, there is a hole where this goes, okay, and it's usually on the inside. Okay, I don't know if you can see it right there, but on this car, it goes right there, okay? So don't forget to put that nipple thing in the hole, because if not, you're all gonna be out of alignment, okay? Easy to do, easy to forget, simple to fix as long as you realize it, but that's what you wanna be aware of right there. And just like that, we have success, okay? The two tabs go right in through here, okay? You want to pound this thing up. I used a jack, basically. I put a jack underneath here and kind of lifted it and gave it a bang every once in a while until it reached that stop tab right there. But let me show you on the back of this thing. Here's the two tabs. See those two tabs right there? Yeah, they go where the two brackets don't meet, okay? So you got to make sure that's right. Okay, and this thing kind of turns, so don't worry about that too much until you get everything aligned. Okay, now all we're going to do now is put on all the bottom control arm parts. We'll reconnect the electrical connector, put the brake hub back on, and we should be good to go. All right, here's some more music. And look, we're done. Isn't that special? Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, she's all buttoned up, tightened to spec. Everything is good to go, and I'm so very happy. We're gonna see what the tire looks like when we put her down. Okay, let's do that real quick. You wanna see something beautiful? Not that, not that. Not all the cardboard pieces. This. Look how she's sitting. Look at that. She's looking great. I haven't moved her since I put on the struts. So the suspension hasn't really settled just yet. But look how much better that looks. This wheel's towed out a little bit. So is this wheel. Ha! Okay, but that's okay, because she needs an alignment. After all the work that she has done, all the work that I've done on her, she just needs an alignment. Mike needs a drink. Thank you, Kane. All right, so what do you think? Does it look good? Have we ended another chapter? Oh, wait. Don't be like a mechanic and leave tools in the engine bay. Not good. Not good at all. We did it. We did it. We have fixed the Bummer Beemer. She's almost perfect, believe it or not. Yeah, she is driving good now that her feet are going straight, which is great. We'll get that checked out. And you know what that means? That means after all this work and after all this money, we can finally see what it's going to cost to fix this. This is the first thing I should have done. I should have got an estimate to fix this huge dent in the side, okay, in the quarter panel, and maybe even fix this and this, okay? No, Monkey Wrench Mike does things backwards. Yeah, so we're going to find out how much it's going to cost, or if it's even possible, to PDR that out. Yeah, because that is horrible. See, the gas, it won't even close. See? Should have been my first thing to do. Yeah, before I put who knows how much money into this thing, I'm actually afraid to add it all up. Because if this is more than like $1,000, I am so upside down in this car, it's going to be like that. Oh wait, the camera fixed itself, didn't it? Oh well. Anyway, yeah, if this costs a lot of money, I'm totally screwed. Totally screwed. What do I do? I don't know. Can I sell it like this? No. Do I want to sell it like this? No. Do I want to keep the car? I kind of do. I think I like the Bummer Beemer. That's Legend. Hi Legend, how are you? Okay. So, I think that's going to wrap up a video. You guys have any estimates on what this is going to cost? I've had people tell me just get a toilet plunger or one of those window things and try to pop it out. I may do that just to see what happens. I still got to get the top to go up and down. I think that's just a fluid leak. I hope. That's my car there, guys, you're running into. Yeah, that's my car. Don't worry about that. Just scratch it all up. Okay. Anyway, that's going to do it for another video, folks. Monkey Wrench Mike here. Thanks for watching. Please like and please subscribe. And we'll be back with more videos on the Bummer Beemer when we take her for a ride to get that checked out. Cross your fingers, it's not going to be thousands of dollars.